Okay, we have a Summit GAP bed engine lathe, model 19-3 inch. It has 19-inch swing, 27 in the gap by 60-inch centers. Serial number 3240861. Machine was new in 1990. We're going to run her for you. Machine has inch metric threading capability. We're running right now. Again, it's got a L2 spindle nose. There's a 6-jaw chuck on there, a 12-inch. That's forward and reverse. Machine comes equipped with a taper turning attachment. It's a lower RPM. You have a micrometer carriage stop as well. Taper turning attachment, steady rest. Okay. Yep, a little higher. Okay. Yep. We're threading. Feed. Sorry. Feed. Yeah, that's not the half. That's the feed, right? Yep, the digital readout. Cross feed. Again, you can see on the digital readout. Okay. Now that's the half nut. Now we're threading. Okay. All right. That's the tailstock. Tailstock has a number 5 Morse taper. 8.5 inch travel. Again, you do have a steady rest. Machine's here in Harrison, New Jersey. Thanks for watching our video.